In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable SOS features on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, head over to Settings and then scroll down until you find Emergency SOS. That's where we can find several SOS features, and that's where we can set it up to activate or deactivate any of them. We have here call with hold and release, call with 5 button presses. I really hate that feature. If you rapidly press the side button for 5 times with this feature active, a countdown begins and an alarm sounds. When the countdown ends, iPhone will call emergency services. I'm gonna show you how it works. So I'm gonna press now 5 times at the side button. As you can see, it starts counting down, and also the alarm sound should appear. However, my phone currently is on silent mode, so you don't hear that annoying sound. And then if you don't want this or any other feature from this list to be active on your device, just turn them off. You can also turn off call quietly and call after severe crash. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.